This job has allowed me to have so much more flexibility than any other position with balancing my work and home life.
I have 2 daughters that keep me extremely busy. So yeah, I'm able to take my youngest to preschool while simultaneously picking her up at the end of the day and still be able to attend all of my kids' sporting events and school activities and anything, I guess, that's kind of family oriented.
Support is awesome, and the training is very flexible and allows you to, integrate it into your regular work schedule.
Here at PlotPath, it's pretty easy to find your answers out, and if you don't know, you just ask, and that's really nice.
I'm always learning new things, especially with systems and tools and project management and developing new skills, communications.
One of my more recent clients is using a software that I'd never used before, and our team's been really great at helping and assisting me in that and giving me tools and tips that I can use on how to get certain things out of the software that I need.
We have so many people on the team, and there's always somebody who can step into your role and help you out.
We make sure we meet our deadlines by using tools to do that. Here I really like ClickUp. It's pretty easy to use, and it's one way to track literally everything that I have to do.
It's been very rewarding to be in this role and with this company.
Our team is, I guess, what I love most about PlotPath, because they are very knowledgeable and helpful and pleasant to work with.